Welcome to our tutorial on the Rotate command. Rotate is the second command on the Transformation toolbar. The Transformation toolbar, as you may remember, is a sub-toolbar of the Operations toolbar. Let's explore the Rotate definition window. We can choose one of three definition modes. Axis angle is the first definition mode. Let's select this. Under Element to Rotate, I'll select Sweep 1. Axis, I'll right-click and create a line. Let's choose point to point. I'll select this point and this point and click OK. My angle value, let's enter 45 degrees, tab. Let's repeat object after OK and press OK. Instances, we'll leave it at 2 and click OK. OK, let's delete this. Shift select these features. Right-click and delete. Let's activate the Rotate command again. For our definition mode, this time we'll select Axis 2 elements. We'll select Sweep 1 as our element. Under Axis, we'll select the Y-axis. For our first element, I'll right-click. You see the number of elements we can select or create from this drop-down menu. I'm going to select the Z-axis. Now let's right-click on the second element and select the X-axis. Let's click OK. Let's right-click on Rotate 4 and delete it. OK. Now let's activate the Rotate command again. Let's work with the third definition mode, 3 points. We'll use Sweep 1 again for our element. For our first point, we'll select this point. Here's point 2, and here is point 3. Let's click OK. To understand what happened here, I'm going to create 2 lines. Let's choose point to point, this point to this point. Now the other line will connect this point and this point. Now let's create a plane. Click OK. And one more line. Normal to surface for the line type this time. Select this plane and this point. Click OK. Alright, now we can better understand what's happened. This line represents the axis, and the angle is defined by these 2 lines. And this concludes our tutorial on the Rotate command.